everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we have got Bettybox. Now Bettybox is like a teenage subscription box for periods and all that sort of stuff, but I know that I'm not a teenager, but this is like a super value box, and it just does the same parts as pinkparcel, and basically it's just the same stuff, but it's just maybe the beauty products is made probably for teenagers, but some of the stuff you can actually get away with. So, and if it doesn't work for me, it'll work for my daughter as well, because she's really got young skin, and so yeah, so it will be fine for me probably. So it's £12.99 a month. But I got mine on a special deal. I got mine for £9 a month, and that was including delivery. Sorry, just did it. Right, so I am just going to open it. It comes in a black bag like that, exactly the same as the pinkparcel. So we shall just open it up like so. Oh, it's got a nice, really teary thing along there, which makes it a lot easier to open. And it is Bettybox. It's brightly coloured. That's how I know it's Bettybox. And I've watched a lot of unboxings of this, and it's like every month I watch this, and it's like I want that box. It's like, I mean, there is like 40-year-olds opening these boxes, and I'm one of them. I'm 40. So yeah, so that's it. Right. Oh, it feels really heavy. So this is the Bettybox. You'll see it says Bettybox on it. I think Pink Poodle too, she unboxes these as well as Diary of a 40-something. I've seen those unbox these, so yeah, so there we go. A couple of shout outs there for people that I know that unbox this box. So yeah, so we'll see it. And oh my gosh, it is really brightly coloured. It's beautiful actually. I do love it. So this is Join the Conversation at Betty Me, so it has its own conversation thing. It's like you can go on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram and just check out what they have to say. Right, okay, so I didn't want to drop that. So this is the Betty Collective February 18, and it says be free, best friend, I think it says. Yeah, it does. So we'll just read a little bit of information on about that. No, I hope this just stays there. Right, so it says it's going to go on about friends are the family we choose. Friendship Bettybox. Valentine's Day is not just about romantic head over heels gushy love. Oh, that sounds really nice, doesn't it? It's like sort of a teenager sort of thing. It's about celebrating the sort of love you encounter every single day. Well, that's nice. That is really nice, because it's so nice to be loved every single day. Our favourite kind of love, that would be friendship. And while you know your girls are squad goals, it's time to show them some extra attention, which is why we brought you a Bettybox full of goodies this month, from candy kittens, yes, I love candy kittens, to sweet bandies, hair ties. No, I'm not so keen on them, but that's fine, my daughter can have them anyway. She has long hair, just like, well, not the same colour as me. She has long blonde hair, so she can wear those. And dish them out to the nearest, have matching ponytail accessories, and eat some food. Are you even friends? Head to Betty Me, tons of laughs. No, it's not laughs, it's LOLs. LOLs, laughs out loud. And life advice, keeping your girl gang super strong. Yes, girl gang, super strong. Well, we can have that in our 40s, can't we, girl gang? So yeah, don't forget to share your thoughts on social media using hashtag BettyBFF. So it says, oh, it's just going on a little bit about the things what we got, but I don't really want to read that now, so I'm going to look at the products that we actually get in this month's Bettybox. And we have got for 9. See what I mean? They're exactly the same as pinkparcel. They're exactly the same pads, but they're just in this really nice box. I prefer this box better to the ones that we get in pinkparcel, and I will show you why I prefer this box. Is because it actually stands up. It's like in a better box that it stands and it's easier for them to come out, whereas the other one is like a flat box and they're not organised. But this it seems to be really good, and it just can stand on your table or anywhere like that, so it's perfect. And those were the nighttime ones, like I showed you in my pinkparcel box. Exactly the same, just body form, nighttime ones. And this is the for later box. So these is like exactly the same pads, and then again in a nicer box, just a lovely colour of that box, and it stands up as well, exactly the same as the other one. And it does say in the back, chat. For more information on this month's product, visit us at BettyMe. So it does say that on the back. And it just say for night and for later, it tells you on them, which is really, really good. So then we also get a really bright, colourful bag, and that just goes again in your handbag. I do like this, it's really bright and pretty and colourful. I like bright, colourful things. And you also get the pads, they're exactly the same. And you also get panty liners as well, which is fantastic. They're also come in handy just to use every day, really. But I use the panty liners on the light days, you know, when there is hardly anything there, but it's there, so I use panty liners and they're really good. Right, okay, so we're going to get into the all important for you box. This is the box that everybody goes crazy for. It's like pinkparcel, but look at it. It's really, really pretty. And I love the yellow, really bright box. It's like, oh, I just want to get into it. Just really want to get into it. Well, we're going to get into it. Right, okay, so there we go. You'll see what it is. Wow. So, first of all, the sweets is a lot better in the Bettybox than they are in the pinkparcel box, because you get candy kittens, and these are cute, and they taste nice, so I'm going to love them. I love everything cute and everything nice. Oh, look at that one. Sweet. And they're really nice. There we go. Teen Skin Nip and Fab. Well, as I was talking to a lady in Boots, she did say that teenagers have very, very softish skin. Their skin's not really as harsh as ours, but that will be probably used on my skin because I do go round about skin products. So I'm just going to get into it and show you what I mean. If I can, I'll show you what I mean, because I can't show you what I mean. Right, does it have... It smells like cucumbers. Right, so with that, I will actually tell you about if it's good or bad at the end of the month when I do my good box, bad box. Right, so now I'm just going to be 1 minute. Resume. Right, so now we're just going to get on with these bits here. First of all, I see what I might like is this. Now this is a brush cleaner, and I know I already have one. So this might just go in a giveaway. So when I reach my 300 subscribers, I have a box of beauty products, and this is definitely going in it. So get to subscribing and you will win it. So that's going in the giveaway. And then we got these bandies, and these is probably going to go in the giveaway. In the giveaway, yeah, really. And oh my gosh, got some really cute colours. See them colours? They got blues, yellows, and a black one. I do like them. So they're going in the giveaway. And then we got a nail file, which I use these all of the time, so I will use that. Then we got, what is it? Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. That is like happy everything. Look at that. That's going on my bag. I do love that. I love these badges. And we got like pin parcel. We have got a cup of tea. Nice cup of tea. Sorry for that, but I'm just a little wired. So yeah, so it's gonna go on about this, which is the Nip and Fab, which is £8.99, and it's a teen skin, and it's a pore blaster. So it's the anti-pores. And what do you do with it? Is it a mask? I think it's a scrub. So it's going to be interesting to see, because with it being like a teenage skin, it's not going to be as harsh as one of them that we would normally use. So you just really have no worries at all with it being a teenage product. So it does say, I'm trying to find the directions. You can use it as a scrub, gently enough onto the damp skin, avoiding the eye and contour area. Rinse off with lukewarm water. So it could be used as a scrub, but it says it can be also used as a mask as well. So I don't know how that's going to actually work. Right, so I'm going to have to investigate this little product. Now then, it's just going to have to be investigated, isn't it? That's it. I'm just going to have to pull this tag off. I think it's going to be more scrubby than masky. See it? Oh, it smells like cucumbers. It has a really nice, yeah, it's definitely a scrub, because that's like scrubby. Can you see it? Probably it's not, but it is scrubby, and it's like made my skin feel really, really soft. So I'm gonna really love this. Oh, it's just gorgeous. So that is definitely made it for me. Getting this box and this in it is absolutely just, I'm so happy with it. It's like over the moon. I don't know, it just made me feel happy that I got something in it that's worthwhile. So then we got the candy kittens. Now they are £1. They're really nice as well. So that is like, got £9, and then I got the candy kittens, which is £10, and I just got my money back. So it's a win-win, really a win-win situation for Bettybox. So again, we have come to the end of this unboxing. If you liked this video, thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel, because you never know when I'm going to be uploading next. I usually do get ready with me's, I usually do unboxing, loads of unboxing, or I will just do a normal chatty about a makeup product, or I do face masks. I do the whole range. So please subscribe, press the bell, and that will notify you when I've uploaded. Take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.